This video will guide you through a T4000 enrollment via the Multipath IP client software. Start by clicking Enroll New Stu. This will open the Stu Enrollment Wizard. Enter the T4000 serial number. This can be found on the front of the device. Enter a new 4-digit client code for the T4000. This client code should correlate to an account in your automation software. You can also edit the 2-digit receiver line number if required. Enter a site name for the T4000. Once complete, click Next. Select the polling plan that was sold to the client from the list. Once complete, click Next. You can now assign the T4000 to a bureau installer. If no bureau installer is required, leave it as none. Otherwise, select the bureau, then click Next. Select the communications mode that the T4000 will use to connect to the panel through. The T4000 supports various connection methods. For this example, select dialer capture, then click Next. Select the reporting format that the T4000 is expecting to hear from the panel. The T4000 supports various reporting formats. If you're unsure of what to select, check with the integrator on site. Most basic installs require Contact ID. Select Contact ID and click Next. Once you see the green tick, click Next. Click Finish to complete your T4000 enrollment. If the T4000 is powered up and online, it will begin to receive its programming. Once it's completed its enrollment programming, it will jump to the top section of your Multipath software. This is where all of your monitored devices are. To make any changes after enrollment, right-click your T4000, then click on Edit Configuration. In this screen, you can view and edit details. You can edit the site name. You can edit the communications mode. You can edit the reporting format and also the plan. After making any programming changes, click Save and Write Programming. The T4000 will now have any programming changes written down to it. Once the programming is complete, close out of this window. And that concludes the T4000 enrollment guide through the Multipath IP client software.